Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Tableau Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to send an email that contains the current view you're looking at. Now the great thing about this is that you'll be able to send the filters you've applied to the view as part of the email. This makes it a little more dynamic to share what you're looking at. Now the first thing you want to make sure is that all of your filters are being applied to the worksheet that you plan to use as a trigger. So I have a worksheet called button, so I want to make sure that all of my filters have been applied, and I believe that they have, yep, to the button filter. This means if I filter things around, the values are actually being passed forward. All right, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is add an action. It will be a URL action. We'll be calling it send email. We'll be passing it on to the button worksheet. We want it to be triggered based on select. Now the URL is pretty simple. We have mail to, goes to the email at address.com. We have a question mark for the subject and the body. Now in the body is where we want to start putting the URL of our workbook, tableau.com/view/ whatever your workbook name is. Now to pass filters via URL, you need a question mark. You need to have what the variable, and it will be equals to the value. If you wanted to do a second thing, you could do variable 2 equals value 2. So let's get started. After the workbook, we'll want to pass the first variable, which will be our, right here, type equals. Now, since we're passing the filter to the workbook, you'll have type as a value right here. Next thing will be owner equals, same thing, owner, and finally we'll have stage equals, and as you might guess, it'll be stage. Now make sure that we have allow multiple values selected and that the delimiter is a comma. Now, just like that, we've created a very quick link. When you click on it, you'll notice that it's passing the URL, and all of my filters are actually there. You have main, second, Bob, Mark, Mike, completed, and in progress. Now, if you were to go back to the workbook, do a little play around. Let's say I only want to see things for Bob. I only want to see them completed. I only want to see the second. Just like that, if I was to click on the button, it will now send a new email that's only passing the workbook for second, Bob, and completed. So just like that, you're able to dynamically play with the view, and just like that, send a quick URL to any user that will allow them to see the specific view you wanted to share. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Have a great day.